Imagine a machine capable of lifting hundreds of tons high into the air with incredible precision, moving massive steel beams, concrete panels, shipping containers, or even entire sections of skyscrapers. Cranes are among the most important machines in modern construction and industry. Without them, it would be nearly impossible to build skyscrapers, bridges, power plants, ports, or giant industrial facilities. Although cranes may look relatively simple from the outside, they actually combine advanced mechanics, hydraulics, structural engineering, electronics, and physics into one highly sophisticated system. But how does a crane actually work? The fundamental principle behind every crane is leverage and balance. When a crane lifts a heavy load, enormous rotational forces called moments are created. If these forces are not balanced correctly, the entire machine could tip over. To prevent this, cranes use massive counterweights positioned on the opposite side of the boom. These counterweights help stabilize the machine and offset the weight of the lifted load. One of the most important parts of a crane is the boom, the long arm responsible for positioning and moving the load. Some cranes use telescopic booms that extend hydraulically through multiple sliding sections. Others use lattice booms built from strong but lightweight steel frameworks capable of handling extremely heavy loads while minimizing structural weight. If you like similar educational content, please like, subscribe, and share the video with your friends. The actual lifting process relies on winches, pulleys, and steel wire ropes. The winch contains a powerful motor and a rotating drum that winds or unwinds the steel cable. As the cable winds onto the drum, the hook and attached load rise upward. Pulley systems help distribute forces and dramatically increase the lifting capability of the crane by creating mechanical advantage. What makes modern cranes so fascinating is their ability to move enormous weights with incredible precision. Operators can position loads weighing dozens or even hundreds of tons with centimeter-level accuracy, while the entire system handles massive forces high above the ground. The combination of physics, structural engineering, hydraulics, and advanced safety systems allows cranes to literally build the modern world upward. For a crane to safely handle enormous loads, its structure must be both extremely strong and as lightweight as possible. This is why modern cranes use specialized high-strength steels capable of resisting massive tension, compression, vibration, and dynamic stress. The crane structure must withstand not only the weight of the load itself, but also additional forces caused by movement, wind, swinging loads, and changing operating conditions. Hydraulic systems play a critical role in many modern cranes. Mobile cranes commonly use hydraulic cylinders to extend telescopic booms, deploy stabilizing outriggers, and adjust boom angles. Hydraulics allow extremely large forces to be generated using pressurized fluid. Because of this, relatively compact hydraulic cylinders can move and support massive structural components weighing many tons. Mobile cranes also rely heavily on stabilizing outriggers. Before lifting operations begin, these large supports extend outward from the crane chassis and transfer part of the machine's weight directly into the ground. Without outriggers, the crane could easily tip over while lifting heavy loads. Stability is one of the most critical aspects of crane engineering. Modern cranes are also packed with advanced electronics and safety systems. Sensors continuously monitor load weight, boom angle, wind speed, machine stability, and structural stress. Computer systems constantly calculate whether the crane is approaching dangerous operating limits. If the operator attempts to exceed safe lifting conditions, the crane may automatically restrict movement or completely stop certain functions to prevent accidents. Operating a crane also requires a deep understanding of movement physics. Heavy suspended loads can begin swinging like pendulums, especially when lifted at large heights or moved too quickly. Crane operators therefore must move extremely smoothly and carefully to minimize load oscillation. During especially difficult lifts, multiple workers often coordinate using radios, cameras, signal systems, and precise communication to safely guide the load into position. There are many different types of cranes, each designed for completely different working environments and lifting requirements. One of the most recognizable types is the tower crane, used for constructing skyscrapers and high-rise buildings. These enormous machines are anchored to massive concrete foundations or directly attached to the structure being built. As the building grows taller, the crane can actually climb upward by using hydraulic climbing systems that lift the crane and allow additional tower sections to be inserted underneath. This enables some tower cranes to reach heights of hundreds of meters. The assembly process of a tower crane is itself an extremely complex engineering operation. First, a massive reinforced concrete foundation must be built to transfer enormous loads safely into the ground. Smaller mobile cranes are then used to assemble the initial tower sections. Later, the slewing unit, operator cabin, boom, counterweights, and lifting systems are installed piece by piece. Even during crane construction, engineers must carefully calculate stability, load distribution, and structural forces. Another major category is the mobile telescopic crane mounted on heavy-duty truck chassis. These cranes are highly flexible because they can travel quickly between construction sites and begin operation within a relatively short time. Modern mobile cranes often use multiple axles, powerful diesel engines, and highly advanced hydraulic systems capable of extending booms to enormous lengths. Some of the largest mobile cranes in the world can lift hundreds or even thousands of tons. Crawler cranes represent another specialized category commonly used for large industrial projects, bridge construction, power plants, and wind turbine installation. Instead of wheels, these machines use large tracked undercarriages that distribute weight across a wider surface area and improve stability on soft ground. Some massive crawler cranes are among the largest moving machines ever built, and transporting them to construction sites may require dozens of trucks. Port cranes used in shipping terminals are also incredibly advanced systems. Modern container terminals operate almost continuously, while giant automated cranes move thousands of shipping containers between cargo ships, trains, and trucks every day. Many of these systems use advanced automation, GPS positioning, cameras, sensors, and computer-controlled movement to maximize speed and precision. For the largest engineering projects, such as nuclear power plants, offshore platforms, bridges, or giant industrial facilities, highly specialized heavy-lift cranes are used. These machines can lift complete steel structures, massive generators, or bridge sections weighing thousands of tons. In such situations, engineers must carefully analyze structural loads, soil stability, wind forces, and dynamic movement. Some individual lifting operations may require weeks or even months of planning before the actual load is lifted from the ground. One of the greatest dangers during crane operation is loss of stability. As a heavy load moves farther away from the crane's center of gravity, enormous tipping forces are created. If these forces exceed safe limits, the entire crane can overturn. Because of this, every lift must be carefully calculated in advance. Operators use detailed load charts that specify exactly how much weight the crane can safely lift at different boom lengths, angles, and working radii. The farther the load extends from the crane, the lower the maximum lifting capacity becomes. Wind is another major challenge, especially for tall tower cranes. Strong winds can generate enormous sideways forces on the boom and suspended load. Large steel beams, panels, or construction components can behave almost like sails and begin moving uncontrollably. Modern cranes therefore use anemometers and weather monitoring systems that constantly measure wind speed. If wind conditions become unsafe, lifting operations must stop immediately. Steel wire ropes are also critically important components. Although they may appear simple, crane cables are highly engineered systems made from multiple layers of extremely strong steel strands woven together into complex structures. These ropes must withstand enormous tension, continuous bending over pulleys, vibration, and long-term fatigue. Even small signs of wear or damage can create serious safety risks, which is why crane cables are regularly inspected and replaced. Modern cranes increasingly rely on automation and electronic assistance systems. Some advanced cranes can automatically stabilize swinging loads, limit dangerous movement, or assist operators with precise positioning. In large shipping terminals and industrial facilities, fully automated cranes already operate with minimal direct human control using cameras, sensors, GPS systems, and artificial intelligence. Environmental concerns are also shaping the future of crane technology. Some modern cranes now use hybrid or fully electric drive systems designed to reduce fuel consumption, noise, and emissions. Engineers are also developing lighter structural materials, more efficient hydraulic systems, and intelligent predictive maintenance software capable of detecting problems before failures occur. Future cranes will likely become even more efficient, automated, and environmentally friendly. At the core of every crane, however, the fundamental physics remain the same. Leverage, balance, pulleys, steel cables, hydraulics, and structural stability allow enormous loads to be lifted safely into the air. By combining mechanics, engineering, electronics, automation, and advanced safety systems, cranes have become some of the most powerful and essential machines ever created for building the modern world.